Sapi, actually, originally, I was asked to do a horror film. Ang Under Solar. At tapos, ang maganda dito, binigyan ako ng full creative freedom ng Solar Films ni Boss Wilson Cheng. Sabi niya, bahala ka na doon sa treatment mo ng horror. So, syempre, as usual, kahit na horror genre pa siya, I try to inject social issues. So dito sa Sapi, hindi lang sa tungkol sa mga demonic possession or evil possession, no? O biktima ng isang demonic possession, kundi sino yung mga gumagawa nito, sino yung mga taong nagka-capture nito. So, ito is our group of journalists, this is our group of documentaries na nag-cover ng isang tao na sinabihan. Who happens to be associated with a huge network or with a big network, no? And at the same time, there's another group din naman na meron din siyang affiliation with another network. So nakikita natin dito kumbaga yung parang yung parallelism of a person that is being possessed and the people who are actually documenting it.
How did you manage